Hi, I'm Karen with All-in-One, coming to you from the San Diego ASI show, and I want to show you my favorite new product. These are our A22 AudioStar speakers. What makes these special is they're great for travel. They plug into anything that has an earphone jack, an audio jack attachment here, into an iPod, a Nano, an iPhone, a laptop computer, anything that this can plug into, that earphones can plug into, this will work with. To stash these little guys away, you just turn them off, and you can put them together. They're magnetic. They just twist into place. Twist the speaker shut. The cords retract right inside and disappear.
You can order a sample off the first page.
And you're left with this little pill-shaped speaker. Super easy to use. All you have to do to recharge them is plug the mini USB connector that plugs the two units together into any laptop or USB rechargeable device. Very easy. Great product.